Hi there, my name's Jason Perkins. I'm a Georgia workers' compensation attorney. I'd like to welcome you to another edition of my Georgia workers' compensation video series. In this series, I provide you with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law. Today I'm going to talk with you about two types of benefits that are available to you under that law, called temporary total disability benefits and temporary partial disability benefits. But before we jump into that, be sure and be on the lookout for my next video in the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series, where I'm going to talk to you about aggravations of pre-existing conditions and their coverage under Georgia's law. Now, let's talk a little bit about temporary total disability and temporary partial disability. First thing that you need to know is that these benefits are often referred to as TTD for temporary total disability and TPD for temporary partial disability. So you may see those abbreviations on checks that you receive telling you if you're being paid temporary total disability or temporary partial disability. Both benefits are paid weekly. That's one of the ways that they're similar. However, the amounts of your temporary total disability, temporary partial disability will be different. As the name conveys, temporary total pays you when you're totally out of work on a temporary basis because of your injury. Temporary partial pays you benefits when you're only partially disabled from work. And in most cases, what that partial disability from work is, means that you're able to earn some money, but not as much as you were able to earn before you got hurt. So if you're totally out of work, you should receive temporary total disability benefits. The amount of those benefits will be based on what your average weekly wage was before your injury, and I've discussed how to calculate that in other videos in this series. Temporary partial disability benefits will be based on what you made in your average weekly wage before you got hurt and comparing that to what you are making or are capable of making now. And you'll be paid a percentage of the difference. It's basically 66% of the difference, or 2/3. So your temporary partial disability benefits will always be less than your temporary total disability benefits. That's one way they're different. Both of them are paying you for lost wages. It's just whether you're completely losing your wages or whether you're only partially losing your wages. I hope you found this information about how temporary total and temporary partial disability benefits are different helpful. If you have, please let me know. The best way to do that is by giving this video a thumbs up or by liking it. If you've got other questions about Georgia workers' compensation law, there's 3 good ways that you can get some answers to them. One is by visiting our website, www.perkinslawtalk.com, and reading the articles that I've written on our workers' compensation blog there. The second is by visiting our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation YouTube channel and viewing other videos from the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. And if you've got some specific questions, the third way to get answers is by setting up a free consultation with me about your case. There's 2 easy ways to do that. You can either call me at the phone number on the bottom of the screen, or complete and submit the free consultation request form that's on our website, and we'll reach out to you and set up a consultation. Thanks for watching today, and I wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.